What's up, guys? This is Will's Gadgets More, back with another video. So today we're taking a look at a pair of gaming speakers. So these were sent out to me by a company called Archeer. So a big shout out to them for sending these over for a review. So these are the Archeer gaming computer speakers. 2.0 enhanced stereo RGB speakers. They feature 6 LED light modes, volume control. These are 10 watts. USB powered. They have a 3.5 millimeter aux cable in. Now you can use these with your PC, your PS4s, your monitors, desktops, laptops, and phones. You can pick these up on Amazon.com. Right now the price is $25.99. So a few of the features and details are, with these. These feature rich, clear sound. You're going to get 360-degree sound, surround sound. You get full frequency speakers, and you get 2.0 multimedia speakers. You get multi-lighting modes. You're going to have multicolors flashing, multicolors flowing, 8 color changing. You get red, green, and blue for your colors. You get simple controls for volume and light modes. So if you long press on the power button, it's going to turn them on or off. If you click the power switch, it's going to switch between your light modes, and you double click, it's going to turn the lights off. And also you have your volume up and down. Now these are going to be perfect size for your desk and computer. As you guys see, these measure 7 inches tall by 3.7 inches in depth. These feature plug and play. So these can be powered by your PC, power banks, 5-volt, 1 amp or 2 amp adapters. Like I said earlier, you can use these with your MP3s, your MP4s, phones, tablets, laptops, all of the above. Now I would drop a link in the description if you guys want to pick these up. So let's get into the box and check it out. All right, guys, so here's the box. You see they got their name there, Archeer gaming speakers. Now these are the model CS09, and a nice picture of the speakers right there as well. Going around the box, you got the same thing on the back. And on this side, you're going to have some of those specs right there if you want to pause that and read it for yourself. So let's go ahead and get into the box. Check these out. Got a little piece of tape there. We're going to get that cut and get inside of this box and check these out. So, all right, the first thing we got in the box is going to be your user's manual. In case you need to get in here and check these out. Everything, all the specs and everything that you need to know about this, you got that on hand. So next we got the speakers. All right, so let's get this over here. And nothing else in the box, so let's set the box over to the side. And let's get this paper and stuff off the speakers. Okay, guys, so all of the paper is off here, the speakers. Very lightweight, made out of plastic. You got your front grill there where you can just about see your speaker inside of it. You're going to have a little bit of branding right there, logo. And then on this speaker here, this is where you're going to be able to control your volume up and down, your power, and also cycle through your RGB light patterns right there as well. This is what they're going to look like here on the side. Now these are not very tall. I think said 9 inches. On the back, you got your air intake holes there, and on the back of it, I'm not sure if you can mount these on the wall or not. Also, you got your cable that's in between these. This cable is about 3 feet long, so just be mindful of that. But these are very compact. You should be able to use them anywhere you have a small place. And also, this is what you're going to use to connect them. This is going to power it to USB-A, and then this is where you're going to get your sound, a 3.5 millimeter jack. So let's go ahead and get these plugged in and see how they sound and take a look at the RGBs. Okay, guys, so we're back in. I have these plugged into my Microsoft Surface Go 3 using a 3.5 millimeter aux cable there, and I am powering them with the power bank right now, but You can plug this in using a regular wall adapter, plug it into your laptop or whatever takes USB-A. So as you guys see, these are not very big. You can control your volume up and down and your light pattern right here through the button on the front of the speaker here. So I know this is not showing very well with this camera I'm using, so I'll put a little B-roll here to let you guys see the colors a little bit better. But you just hold down on the power button and it will cycle through the different colors there. You got red, green, blue, purple looking there, and then you got your assortment of colors there, and then it'll go back to red. And so these are very nice. The colors look very nice on them. And so let's go ahead and play a little bit of music here. I'm gonna make sure I turn them down because they do get pretty loud. Non-copyright music, let's go. And when these are maxed out on volume, they'll flash and let you know. So let's go up on the volume. All right, guys, so as you see, they are very loud. Let's try another selection here. All right, one more selection. Something different.
What we do here is go back.
All right, guys, so as you guys see, these sound very good. They have a good mixture of highs, mids, and lows. Bass is really nice on them, and they get very loud. And the RGB light pattern looks great as well. So for a little bit over $25, these are great. They're very small, compact, so if you're limited on space to where you need to put a pair of speakers, then these are going to be excellent on your desk or wherever you may need them. So I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick these up. I'm Will. This is Will's Gadgets and More. I'm out.